I am so excited today because I get to tell you about something that is super cool. This is something I used to do for a living a long time ago, and this still works. Like it's never gone away. Okay, it's all about building easy websites, super easy websites, and it's all automated for you with the Newsbuilder 2.0 app. I'll tell you all about it. It's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as sour as Aunt Sally's old-fashioned lemonade. Like, seriously, Aunt Sally, give it a break, okay? But anyway, seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing, you may ask? Well, it's quite simple, actually, because I want to make sure that you do not end up buying a bunch of CRAP.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, really? Every time? Do you know how irritating this guy is? Every single day he complains. Never stops. Doesn't take a day off. Every day complains. You'd think he would take a day off once in a while. Come on, give it a break. The way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here regarding mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Wait, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, I love Liz. We've been watching 30 Rock since the lockdown started. It's already over, but we're still watching it, and I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. I mean, said the same thing every day also, but she really is a sweetheart. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe really doesn't mean anything here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. The IO 2.0 app.
Well, that's no way to sell newspapers. Why don't you try extra, read all about it?
Yeah, well, I would if I was trying to sell newspapers, Phoebe, but thank you anyway for the suggestion. But seriously, today you don't really sell newspapers. They're kind of a dying breed, but news websites are still very much alive, very, very popular. And a little known secret about news sites is that you can actually do what's called aggregation, where you take content from other sites, you put it onto your own site, but like a limited amount, and then you have like the read more that so people can click. Most people don't even click through because they don't really care. They'll read the first couple of paragraphs that you have on your site, and that's all they want to see. But the nice thing is that you can actually go ahead and use advertising on it. You can advertise your own stuff. You can also advertise other people's stuff. And so it's really, really a very, very lucrative way of making money and advertising any niche you could possibly imagine. And so I want to show you the members area in just a moment. First, I want to tell you a little bit about my custom bonuses, because I got some really, really good custom bonuses. So let me pause the video real quick while I go and pull up my list. Okay, so I actually have 5 different custom bonuses for you. I'm going to give you a WP video commenter, which is basically a way for your customers to leave video comments on your website. I'm going to get WP video bot, which is basically a way of supporting various video services on your website. Amazon Profit Builder is going to help you to build up an Amazon sales website. And that's perfect, by the way, to use together with the Newsbuilder. Video Traffic Siphon is basically going to help you to use videos to draw additional traffic onto your Newsbuilder site. And then WP In Content Pop-Up Pro is basically going to give you pop-ups, just like it sounds. In addition to all that, if you do pick up any upgrade at all, then I'm also going to give you my SEO explosion software. And if you pick up any 2 upgrades, I'm even going to give you 1 month of direct access to my cell phone for coaching and accountability. So let's go back and take a look right now at the members area over here in the Newsbuilder software. Okay, so let's see right over here. This is the actual backend. You can see how easy it is to use. Okay, basically you're going to set up registering API. There's training here, by the way, and registering API is basically click a couple of buttons, copy and paste. It's super simple. And what you're going to do here is basically you're going to go ahead and tell it what kind of content you want to actually use it for. So you can use it for literally anything. They have a few samples here. I'm going to show you a couple of samples. You can see what kind of websites you can build with this software. And it's all automated for you. So it's basically going to pull everything in for you and automate the whole process. So you can literally churn out one website after another, and just keep making money off of more and more websites. That's what's so great about this particular software. Okay, as you can see here, the various things you can do. It's super easy to do, by the way. And here's a couple of samples. This one, for example, is a music website. Okay, and it's pulling information from various news websites over here. All right, you have a technology website. And again, it's just going to pull in automatically based on keywords. You don't have to do any work. You can see here, Japanese supercomputer, okay, 360-degree video, Apple makes concessions to App Store developers. These are like current articles that are coming out, and it's going to automate this entire process for you. And then here's one that is automotive as well. Again, you can do literally any niche you can possibly think of. You can automate the whole process with this software. It's super easy to use to just create a website that's going to provide information for people. And then basically what you do is just add in your own advertising, either for your own products, or you just put in AdSense or other ad networks in order to monetize the website. It's so simple to use and so lucrative. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give it to as a product creator or not.
You rock!
So easy to use and so inexpensive. This really is a huge no-brainer to go ahead and grab this. You're absolutely going to love it.